The $50 million I-91 Rockingham Bridges project implements Vermont's first four-span spliced precast concrete girder bridge, providing a wider, safer crossing. The design-build project used one-of-a-kind elements and some of Vermont's largest precast segments to expedite and simplify construction while overcoming its uniquely unbalanced layout. The team constructed a 100-year, wider, safer bridge atop challenging topography and 130 feet above an environmentally critical river. The slimmer, sleeker structure beautifully nestles into the Green Mountains. The old substructure was repurposed as temporary supports, allowing traffic throughout construction, and surmounted V-Trans' considerable pier slenderness requirements. The project overcame significant challenges, including tight site constraints, constructing the new substructure beneath the existing structure while it was in use, Vermont's desolate winter weather, construction above a critical river, and significant topography challenges. Completed on budget, the new I-91 Rockingham Bridges are strikingly beautiful structures, located in one of America's most picturesque environments, and will link Vermonters for the next century. The American Society of Civil Engineers is proud to recognize the I-91 Rockingham Bridges as a 2024 OCEA Honor Award.